everyone, I'm Dr. Lana Lipkin from New Hope Fertility Center. I'm here to answer some common questions about gender selection. Often our patients come in and they maybe don't even have an infertility problem, but they would like to be able to pick the gender of the next baby they have. Another word for this is actually family balance. So for example, a nice couple that I recently had two boys, and the only way that they were going to go ahead and have a third child would be if they had a guarantee that it would be a girl. So they had no trouble conceiving the boys previously, so they didn't have an infertility problem. But natural conception is 50-50, just like anything else, right? Could be a boy or it could be a girl. They didn't want to risk having a third boy. Certainly, of course, we have many couples who might have the opposite issue, but you get the point. So the way that gender selection works is that you actually do have to go through the entire process of IVF or in vitro fertilization, which means that we do have to do stimulation on the woman to get the eggs from the ovary and fertilize with the partner's sperm in the lab. What I like to highlight for patients is that we cannot create boys. We cannot create girls. We can just tell you what you guys made. That's the really important point. This is where genetic testing comes in. When we make embryos, we check the chromosomes and then we can tell if the embryos are boy embryos or girl embryos. That's where the gender selection comes in. This way, we can choose the one that we put back inside the uterus in the following month. So for example, this couple that wanted a girl, hopefully they'll make some embryos, and if one of them does the genetic testing and comes out to be a girl, we can put it back inside the uterus. Hopefully it will lead to a pregnancy and they'll have a lovely baby girl to balance out their family. Of course, IVF is a long and rigorous process for many patients with infertility, but in couples who never had problems conceiving naturally, usually it takes 1 or 2 cycles to get the desired result. That's all for today. Have a great day.